Hi everyone, this is Remo and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about an amazing and underrated product to enable you to get more traffic to your Zazzle store and to get more sales in God willing. And this amazing product people are searching for a lot and significantly on all gift websites and home decor websites. This amazing product is apron. Yes, apron that anyone could put on while cooking in the kitchen. So if anyone want to grant a gift for his mother, wife, friend, one of the best things that would come to his mind is apron, because it creates a lot of beautiful designs, quotes, and something like that. So if you want to know how many times people are searching for aprons on internet, so let's have a look at the story page regarding this word apron. Here you'll find a lot of search terms regarding apron. Okay, as you see, apron for women, man apron, women apron, apron for a man, apron women, and so on and so forth. Over 12,000 times people are searching for apron in Google, as you see. Okay, man's apron, apron thing, customized apron, and so on and so forth. So you have to consider making your designs on apron on Zazzle.com and start promoting them on social media to get more traffic, to get more sales. In addition, you can stand out the crowd of the high competition of the well-known items like t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, and etc. So you can make your designs on this amazing product and start making money on Zazzle.com. Unfortunately, Zazzle.com provides apron in different styles with affordable price that suit your gifts. So how to make these amazing product or how to make your designs on aprons. So let's go together to Zazzle.com. Okay, and here on the homepage of Zazzle, just you can go to create, okay, and go to blank products, view all. So how to find this amazing product on Zazzle to make our designs on them. So here you can find in this home, sports and games, go to this one, aprons, as you see. And as I said before, here in Zazzle.com you will find a lot and different styles of aprons on Zazzle. As you see, you'll find the all over print apron in this medium size, and all over print that suits your design if it is a pattern or seamless design that covers the entire apron. Okay, all over print apron large or custom standard apron if your design as a graphic or a quote or something like that, that would be central on this apron. Okay, in different colors, as you see, custom long apron and all over print apron for small, for kids, custom kids apron, and something like that. Okay, so here you will find different beautiful aprons that suit your design whatever they are. Okay, so let's try one of these beautiful aprons like this one, this large all over print apron. Okay, so click over that, and then you can add your image. Perfect. And then you can upload your images from your device. Okay, and I said before, this amazing apron suits perfectly your seamless design, your large designs, pattern or landscape, and something like that. So we can try one like this one, pattern. Okay, for example, and just we can make it cover the entire apron as you see in this preview. Okay, and when you are done, just you can done. Perfect. So you can click over this one, sell it. Then you have to fill these details of your apron and your design and your product, like title, description, and tags. Okay, so from now on you have to take the action now and include your apron among your products you are making on Zazzle.com to get more traffic, to get more sales. And if you don't know how to promote your aprons professionally on social media like Pinterest or Instagram, you'll find these videos and these courses below in the first comment and description box. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.